attracted to, any more than anybody is responsible for what they're attracted to. But there was nothing in the findings that suggested they're not responsible for their behavior. There were no differences in the frontal parts of the brain, which are predominantly the areas that are responsible for self-control, and which is what led the frontal lobe theorists to start supporting the frontal lobe theories to begin with. So at least the evidence from my lab and from one of the German teams is that that's not there. The people apparently are not responsible for their sexual attractions, but remain entirely responsible, as far as we can see at the moment, for their actual behavior. Which then brings us to probably the most important question. Can we prevent it? Which to me is the most exciting prospect. The more we can pinpoint where in development the thing went wrong, if it's vitamin deficiencies, we can do something about that. We'll not be able to prevent every single case, but if we know what kind of an environment makes pedophilia more likely or less likely, then we can start manipulating the environment long before any of the offenses ever occur. Now, whenever I talk about brain studies in the public, I seem to get this kind of a reaction. For those of you under 40, 5. This was a famous Kubrick film from the early 70s, I guess it was. Essentially, it's touted out as an example of scientists gone wrong, strongly manipulating and putting unwilling people into forcible treatment environments. This particular one actually was, well, that kind of hinted towards the brain, but really it was all about behaviorism, which was the rage at the time. Now, the public often fears the scientists somehow.